Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to use Yolo on Snapchat. Yolo is an app which lets people send anonymous messages on Snapchat. Follow these steps and you will find out how you can use it. Firstly, go to App Store if you have an iPhone or to Google Play Store if you have Android. Find the app called Yolo Anonymous Questions and Answers and click to download it. Once it will be installed into your phone, go and open it. Press on the Login with Snapchat button. After all verification steps, you will get to a screen where you can start creating a sticker for anonymous messages. Press on the Get Anonymous Messages button. Here you have an opportunity to choose the sticker's text or write your own. Also, you can change the color and text font of your sticker. Once your sticker is ready, hit the share button. Now take a snap or upload a visual from your camera roll. The only thing left to do is to insert the sticker into your story. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use Yolo on Snapchat. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.